All right, we are back. What up, YouTube? So, gonna go ahead and talk about how I look at candlestick structures. So, we'll talk about a little bit on US30 because I know a lot of you guys want to make a lot of money trading US30 and scalping this thing. Well, so let's look at this so you guys get a chance to see this. Um, a what's what I want to talk about? If you have seen the previous videos of how I lined the 15-minute chart with the 1 hour time frame, it's very, very close to each other when you line the highest price and the lowest price of the day. So if we look back and we know that today's a new day, right? The 26th, but let's go back to the 25th. I have this highlighted here because this was the lowest price that was hit of well, it's still today, but I know it's a new day for you guys in other countries. But for today, during New York sessions, right, it peaked down at 32,089. And then before that, right, it came all the way up here to 32,800. So that's almost 800 points, okay, of this price range. And very interesting to see this because this was another major resistance at 32,800, right, 2 days ago. So 2 days ago, which means that was Monday. Monday, Monday, Monday. So, anyways, so I'm gonna hop down here. I'm gonna hop into the 1 hour so you guys get a chance to see this. Notice that I haven't changed the horizontal lines at all. Right? You guys get another clear view of the price range of resistance, right? This was another one right here too, but didn't hit as high as this one. And then this is another one. And then we go to the lowest price, right? So from Monday, which is the 22nd, all the way till 26th, right? Which is, going to be tomorrow for me, but it's a new day for you guys. You get a chance to see how this plays out, right? And overall, US30 is still going down. Okay. Overall, it's still downtrending because it hasn't broken the first price resistance of 32,800. And also, the highest price so far that we have seen is 33,000, and I believe was it 240? Yeah, 33,240. So, very critical to see that it hasn't been coming back up to retest the highest price of the year. So, with that being said, we might end up just seeing this consolidation phase probably, all the way till maybe next week or maybe till uh the new month arrives, or maybe for the next 2 3 weeks, depending on what that's going to happen fundamentally with US30. And US30 is Wall Street. So I'm talking a lot about this pair because a lot of people have been asking me about this pair and how I trade this pair and what I look at and looking at price action and candlesticks, right? And how naked Forex works out because I'm not using indicators. So this is something that you could use, that I use, right, on a personal daily basis. And if you see exactly what I'm seeing, I mean, that's it's a win-win, right? I mean, you're seeing what I'm looking at, right? Based on what's happening right now. We look at what's happening right now. It got rejected multiple times at 32,720. Okay, so I'm gonna erase all this. And oh, whoops, sorry, I apologize, guys. I don't know why I did that. Okay, so so let's go back here. So with this, right, and then major resistance and major, like I said, cannot clear through 32,720. You can see it's pulling back down. I would expect it to pull back down to retest, first, which is this 32,480, and then come back down and retest 32,200. Yeah, 32, 32,200 something. Well, I mean, 180. I don't know, whatever it is. So, and then maybe back down to the wick. So overall, US30 is still downtrending. Now, this is on the 1 hour, and then let's go back to the 15-minute. On the 15-minute, there's really not a whole lot of action going on, right? On the 15-minute chart, you can see that these previous 15-minute candles are just consolidating right around here. from 32.64 all the way up to 32.725. So, basically it's just hovering around 100 points right here, right? 32.625 up to 32.725. That's a 100-point difference. With 100 points, if you were scalping, while one standard lot with Hugo's Way, you could make $10,000 in profit off 100 points. Okay, if you were to buy at the very bottom at 625 and then it went up to 725. You guys get what I'm saying? So you can make fast money with this pair, but you can lose a lot of money in seconds too, less than a minute, with trading standards. But you have to justify when you're scalping this pair. Because I'm talking a lot about scalping, not swinging. Okay. And when you can scalp this pair, you're gonna make a lot more money. This thing pays 10 times more than gold. That's a given factor right there. So not all brokers actually pay out the same. So make sure you understand which broker gives you that contract size payout. I know LQDFX doesn't do that. And I know there's another broker that doesn't. I know Tradersway doesn't have indices anyway. So don't mess with Tradersway because they don't have that. Like I said, Hughes Way, KOT Forex, Osprey FX has it, Eagle FX has it. FX Choice. I'm not for sure if FX Choice actually does the same payout. So that's something that you have to do on your own. Uh, I don't touch indices on FX Choice. What else? LMFX. I believe LMFX actually. No, I don't know if they have indices or not anymore. I don't know, but like I said, quick video for you guys. Like I said, I'll this what was it? With this video, I just want to make it short and simple with the 15-minute chart and tied to the 1 hour with the two horizontal lines at the high and the low. And you can guys and get a chance to feel and see, these price ranges for yourself where you can narrow down the structure of when you want to get in and get out of your entries and exits. And that's what I really want to dive into. I'll keep making these videos and it's gonna be a lot more repetitive and a lot of same techniques and strategies, but you have to keep applying them so that you can relearn and experience the gains, right? The winnings and the losses. And then you'd be like, okay, I know, these times at during New York sessions or during Tokyo or during London sessions, I could, capture this amount of pips or profits at this time you know, I know I wasn't really talking too much about timing of the entries and exits, but you guys get a chance to see where price is narrowed down on range and where you can see the highs and lows and two different time frames that are tied together with the two horizontal lines with the 15-minute to the 1 hour. So other than that, that's it, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow for Friday. Peace.